Ever wondered what are the top 3 must-have home office accessories? Well, you're about to find out. In today's world where working from home is becoming the new normal, having the right accessories can significantly boost your productivity and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just starting out, these accessories are sure to elevate your home office setup. From ergonomics to efficiency, we've got you covered. So, are you ready to transform your home office experience? Stay tuned. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the adjustable desk. This is not just any desk. It's the key to a healthier and more comfortable work-from-home routine. Imagine being able to switch from sitting to standing in just a few seconds, all while continuing with your work seamlessly. Now that's flexibility at its best. But the magic of an adjustable desk doesn't stop at flexibility. It's a silent warrior against the common enemy of home office workers, bad posture and back pain. By allowing you to change your work position throughout the day, an adjustable desk helps promote better posture. No more slouching or hunching over your laptop. You can stand tall, quite literally, and work with ease. And guess what? It's a powerful tool to prevent back pain. We've all been there, haven't we? Hours of sitting in the same position that leaves our back screaming for relief. But with an adjustable desk, those days are long gone. You can adjust the height to your liking, giving your back the break it deserves. Now, if you're thinking that this functional piece of furniture might not fit into your home decor, think again. The modern designs of adjustable desks are as diverse as they are stylish. They can blend seamlessly into any home office decor, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance. In conclusion, an adjustable desk is not just an accessory. It's a game changer for your home office and your health. Moving on to our second top pick, noise-canceling headphones. Now, why is this a must-have, you might ask? Let's delve into that. In the bustling environment of a home office, it's easy to get lost in the whirlwind of distractions. From the humming of the refrigerator to the occasional dog barking, these unwanted noises can break your concentration and hinder your productivity. This is where noise-canceling headphones come into play. These wonderful little gadgets are designed to filter out the background noise, allowing you to maintain your focus and immerse yourself in your work. But that's not all. Noise-canceling headphones are also a lifesaver when it comes to video conferencing and online meetings. We've all been in those scenarios where the person on the other end of the call is barely audible due to the cacophony of sounds in the background. With noise-canceling headphones, you can ensure that your communication is clear, crisp, and effective. And let's not forget the added benefits of these headphones when you want to unwind. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or catching up on a podcast, noise-canceling headphones provide a superior audio experience, making your leisure time all the more enjoyable. In conclusion, a good pair of noise-canceling headphones is a game changer for any home office setup. With noise-canceling headphones, say goodbye to distractions and hello to productivity. And finally, the star of our list, the number 1 must-have home office accessory, the ergonomic chair. Now, some of you might be thinking, it's just a chair, what's the big deal? But let me assure you, an ergonomic chair is so much more than just a place to park yourself while you work. It's your throne of productivity and comfort. Imagine sitting for hours on end, hunched over your computer, straining your back, your neck, your shoulders. Sound familiar? Well, that's where an ergonomic chair steps in. It's designed from the ground up to support your body, maintain your posture, and prevent those pesky health issues like backache, neck pain, and fatigue that can sneak up on you when you're working from home. An ergonomic chair isn't just about comfort, though that's a big part of it. It's about ensuring that your body is properly supported throughout your workday. Features like adjustable height, back support, and comfortable cushioning are not just luxuries, they're necessities. They allow you to customize your seating experience to suit your body's needs, ensuring that you're comfortable and well supported no matter how long your workday might be. So, don't underestimate the power of a good chair. It's not just a seat, it's a tool for productivity, a weapon against discomfort, and a key element in creating a healthy, efficient home office environment. An ergonomic chair, your throne of productivity and comfort.